Google Messages now lets you share your live location directly inside a chat. No extra apps, no complicated setup. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, step by step. Let's start. First, open Google Messages on your Android phone. Then open any conversation. This works inside your normal chat, so you don't need to switch apps or install anything else. Now look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a plus icon or an attachment icon. Tap on it. This opens the sharing menu. Now here's something important. The exact layout may look slightly different on your phone. Some devices show location directly. Others may hide it inside more options. So just look for anything related to location sharing. Once you find it, tap on Location. Now you'll see the option to share your location. Choose Live Location. At this point, your phone may ask for permission. Make sure to allow location access. Without this, the feature won't work. Now comes an important step: choosing duration. You don't share your location forever. You select how long it stays active. For example, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or longer depending on your device. Choose what fits your situation. If you're meeting someone nearby, a short time is enough. If you're traveling, you might want a longer duration. Once you choose the time, tap Send. That's it. Your live location is now shared. The person you sent it to can see your movement in real time. They can track where you are and where you're going. This is very useful for meeting someone, sharing your trip, letting family know you're safe. Now let's talk about stopping it. You're always in control. Open the same chat again. You'll see your active location sharing. Tap on Stop Sharing, and it ends immediately. You don't have to wait for the timer. Now here's something important to remember. This feature is still rolling out, so on some phones, it might look slightly different. The buttons, the layout, or even the placement of the option may change depending on your Android version or Google Messages update. But the core idea stays the same. Open chat, share location, choose duration, and send. Now a quick safety tip. Only share your live location with people you trust, because this gives real-time access to where you are. And always stop sharing when you don't need it anymore. That keeps your privacy in control. So that's how you use live location in Google Messages. Simple, fast, and very useful. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more quick and practical tech tips. And check out the next video, where I show more hidden features most Android users don't know about.